Nothing else I can do. 14. Oh yeah. Freak. Okay. Oh, I'm so ready to play this game. Oh my gosh. Hey.
Dude, what's up?
Hey, dude.
Dude, you get it?
Yeah, I know. Freaking got it.
Dude, you ready?
I know. I'm ready to freaking play it. I know.
Is your internet working?
Like, I hope my internet works.
Dude, how long has it been since you played?
It's been about a year since I played.
Dang!
Yeah, I'm ready to get some.
On
Yeah.
Xbox?
Oh, no. I don't need an Xbox. I got a PlayStation 3.
Dude,
Who needs
chill.
an Xbox? Who needs
Calm
one?
down.
I mean, I got a PlayStation 3. It works.
No.
It works. It's best. I mean,
Shut your
it
mouth.
ain't nothing, but it still works.
Bro, just chill. Calm down,
No,
right
I
now.
got games, that Xbox don't have.
Just calm down.
So, I mean, I don't have to have Halo 4. I got this freaking game.
Just play the
Yeah.
game.
I'm about to play it. I'm about to play it right now if you just get off the phone.
Alright, bye. Bye.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to forget to play this. Oh, Jesus. Skip. Skip. Come on. I ain't got time with this. Freaking ready.
Have fun.
I'm a fun. Crap, my phone's up there. Oh, frick, screw it. Freaking play. Oh, yeah. Setup, brightness, easy, volume, okay, screen. Yes, I want blood and gore in my video game. Multiplayer. Can't handle this. I'm ready to kill. Freaking insane. I'm ready to whoop some butt. Rough day at work. Okay, I just got ready. Make sure this is set. Please work. Oh man. Man, I'm so oof. I need my phone. Can you freaking play? Freaking nobody texts me either. Freaking wrong controller. Play again. Dear God, please let this work. I work full time. I do all this stuff. I have 2 jobs. I never get to play any video games. Stupid. Freaking stupid. I'm pissed. Servers. Okay, I can't play online. Okay, so why the freak should I get Black Ops 2? Can you play on freaking line? Quit game. Yes, I want to quit the game. Alright, time to go check the internet.